Hello everyone, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add music to your Canva desyncs. If you want to create a post for your social media platforms, you can add a music on your post, presentation or video, and you can make your social networks much more beautiful and interesting. Before we start, leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this. The first step is to go on your Canva app. And already add a video on Canva, because I wouldn't waste your time. So next I will add some elements of Canva and some elements of music, to make a video more beautiful and interesting. I'm speed up this process. If you want to see what I'm do, you can pause a video or reduce speed of video. So after that I will show you two steps to add music. The first one is to tap on this plus button in bottom left corner of the screen, and on this bar in bottom scroll to the right, and you will see an audio button and tap on it. On this menu you can see all Canva music, but this Canva Music Premium, that means you need to buy Canva Premium to use that sounds. But I have Freeway, that is second step. The second step is Freeway, and you need to again go on this plus button in bottom right corner of the screen. And then go to Uploads in the bottom of screen. Next go on Audio in the bottom of Upload Files, and tap on Upload Files. Now you need to tap Audio Files, and then select a song or audio you want, and wait a couple of minutes to Canva render audio, and when it finished tap on Audio to add. So now you can edit audio, just slide to minutes or seconds you want, and that is it. So thanks for watching, and if you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this.